21 Ford Transit, 64,000 miles on it. So we got the transmission out because the flywheel bolts were hitting the shield that goes between them. So you can see that we're getting all sorts of noise. They're hitting there and there. So this is warped because of the corrosion. This is frozen on here. The corrosion is actually jacking it and bending it. So it's going out and contacting the flywheel or flex plate. We also have a new flex plate just in case, but look at the corrosion built up here. I mean, that's like a millimeter thick, literally. So we're gonna clean out all the corrosion. We're gonna use an anti-seize on the mating surface and replace this and the flex plate, and this thing will be good to go. There's a 21 with 60,000 miles on it. So the salt, the road chemicals destroying things again in upstate New York.